Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Learn now from your learning partner. Today, we're going to learn about DAX function in Power BI, so please watch the complete video so that you don't miss out on your learning. In the previous video, we had explained in detail about how to replace the values and remove duplicates in Power BI. If you have not watched that video, then click on the above link. If you're new to Power BI, don't worry. We have created a complete watch list that will guide you step by step, where we explain everything you need to know. In this video, we're going to create model calculations using DAX. We will introduce the world of DAX and its true power for enhancing a model. We will be learning about aggregations and the concepts of quick measures, calculated tables, and calculated columns to solve calculation and data analysis problems. First, let's talk about what DAX is. DAX stands for Data Analysis Expressions and is the formula language used in Power BI. The structure is somewhat different from basic Excel functions, as you'll learn in this video. DAX is a collection of functions, operators, and constants that can be used in a formula or expression to calculate and return one or more values. DAX context enables you to perform dynamic analysis in which the results of a formula can change to reflect the current row or cell selection and any related data. In this video, we will be creating calculated tables. So let's get started. We're going to start by using the distinct function in DAX to create a calculated table that will return one column of all of the distinct order IDs from the orders table. To do this, we're going to go to the Modeling tab on the ribbon, and in the Calculations group, go ahead and click on the New Table. We will see two changes on your screen. We have a formula bar that says one table equal, and over in your Fields pane to the right, you have a new table called Table. Right now we're going to name that table Distinct Count. So we'll go ahead and double-click the word table in the formula bar and we'll just type Distinct Count, and we're going to click after the equal sign to build our distinct DAX function. What we really want is a count of the distinct order IDs in the orders table. So distinct means here, the total number of different values, regardless how many times those values appear in the table. We're going to start by beginning to type the function name distinct. It will come up on the list. We need to stop typing at this point, so we can make sure the function appears below. We can double-click distinct from the list, or if it's already highlighted like it is in our case, we are going to press the tab key on my keyboard to tab it in, so it gives me the distinct function and an open parenthesis right underneath your formula bar. In bold it says column name or table expression. That is the only function argument for distinct. So we want it to be for the orders table and in particular, the order ID field. I'm going to start typing orders as in the table name, and you'll notice the orders table shows up on the list as well as every field within the orders table. When you see an order ID, you can double-click it or you could go down and highlight it and tab it in the syntax. Here is the name of the table, and then the column within that table is enclosed in square brackets. At this point, we can press enter and it will perform the calculation and return our one-column table. Since we're in report view, we're not going to be able to see the data. So on your left side, go to your second view button, which is data view, and you'll see your distinct order count table on the right side in the Fields pane. When you click on it, you'll see that the table contains one column and it only contains the distinct order IDs. If you look all the way at the bottom of the screen in the status bar, it tells you there's 6,455 rows. So there are 6,455 distinct order IDs in the orders table. In your Fields pane, click on the orders table and look at the status bar and you'll see that there's 9,426 rows. So the DAX distinct function returns a one-column table populated with distinct values. So this was about the distinct function in Power BI. That's for this video. In the next video, we will create a calculated table. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I'll do my best to respond. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Power BI tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching.